The topic we are going to see is mobile app designing and development. Okay, how to design a mobile app and how to develop the mobile app. Okay, see mobile app. Okay, mobile app or application software. Okay, which is used to solve or do any task of the user. Okay, so this mobile apps are application software. Okay, so after the invention of smartphones, the usage of these apps has been increased. Okay, so these apps makes everything simple, easy and convenient to do any task in a quicker manner. Okay, so why we are using this mobile app means we can do anything easy. Okay, very simply. Okay, and also in a convenient manner. Okay, so these are the applications of mobile apps. Okay, so let me see an example. Okay, how mobile app make everything simple. See, for example, in the mobile app dictionary, okay, one can able to see quickly the meaning of any English words. Okay, on giving a single letter in a search box, it automatically generates more related words to the letter. Okay, so once we pick out our desired word, the app gives meaning of the word. Okay, provide sentence for that word, it idioms, etc. Okay, uh, but without this app, if one wants to search any meaning of a word, he or she wants to search it in search engine. Okay, see different want to see different websites to find correct meaning and sentence and idioms. Okay, so that is we can search a meaning of the word by using we can search a meaning of the word by using internet. Okay, but that one will be somewhat tedious task. Okay, so mobile app will make the task very simple. Okay, so for example, mobile app dictionary app. Okay, an example are an Yono SBI app. Okay, complement the internet banking of SBI. Okay, an IRCTC app complement the use of use of its official website for online ticket booking. Okay, and also Paytm, GPay. Okay, and PhonePe app make transactions simple. Okay, so you can see the Paytm, GPay, and PhonePe. Okay, with this with the help of this app, we can easily do transaction. Okay, so normally we will do transaction in bank. Okay, but with the help of this app, we can easily do transaction. Okay, so these are examples of mobile apps. Okay, that make everything easy and simple. Okay, and mobile app development. Okay, so it is the application software. So the procedure is almost same as developing a normal software for personal computers. Okay, so this is a software. Okay, mobile app are nothing but application software. Okay, so procedure of developing is almost same as the normal procedure of developing a software for personal computers. Okay, so there are mainly two steps involved. Okay, the first step is we want to design the app. Okay, so first we want to design the app and then we want to give the coding for that app. Okay, so these are main basic steps for developing the mobile app. Okay, so the first step is we want to design the app. Okay, and next step is we want to code the app. Okay, so okay, how we can do this? Okay, see, for developing a mobile app, we want a platform. Okay, so the platform is called IDE. Okay, IDE means integrated development environment. Okay, so this is a software. Okay, IDE is nothing but a software. Okay, so with the help of this software, we can develop a mobile app. Okay, so IDE is nothing but a software. Okay, so with the help of this IDE, one can develop, design and build. Okay, and deploy it for usage. Okay, so okay, the IDE for mobile development or IDE for mobile app development are Android Studio and M8 App Inventor. Okay, so these are two commonly used IDE for mobile app development. Okay, okay, one is Android Studio and other is M8 App Inventor. Okay, so what is M8 App Inventor? See, it is an IDE for developing Android and iOS. Okay, that is Apple system smartphones. Okay, app. Okay, so it was this M8 app was developed by the Google. Okay, first it was developed by the Google. Okay, but now it was maintained by the MIT. Okay, MIT University at US. Okay, so it is a free open source software. Okay, MIT is IDE. Okay, so IDE means software. So this software is open source software, that is coding is available to build app and free to download after developing. Okay, so okay, coding is okay, codes for that app is already available in the software. Okay, so we are saying the software is open source software. Okay, okay, and the URL is like this. Okay, URL is https okay // and appinventor.mit.edu. Okay, so this is the okay, URL for accessing this IDE. Okay, so, okay, okay. See, for example, you want to access this MIT App Inventor. Okay, so first you search in Google. Okay, okay, in Google you type like this. Okay, MIT. Okay, you type MIT App Inventor. Okay, so in Google search engine, okay, you type MIT App Inventor. Okay, so in the first thing you can see like this. See here. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, see, okay, I told that. Okay, the website is App Inventor. Okay, .mit .edu. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, so you open this website. Okay, this URL. Okay, after opening you can see here in the page. Okay, you can see the page. Okay, so in this you want to go to create apps. Okay, so we want to create an app. Okay, so you go okay, create app. Okay, so after that it will ask the okay, you want to sign in with mail ID. Okay, so with the help of mail ID you want to sign in. Okay, see, it's asking mail ID. Okay, so you sign in with the mail ID. Okay, your own mail ID. Okay, you sign in with this mail ID. Okay, so this is MIT App Inventor. Okay, so after signing in, okay, okay, the page will be visible. Okay, so, okay, so you okay, you will continue. Okay, okay, this is the MIT App Inventor. Okay, so for starting a new project you want to go for a new project. See here. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, so to start a new project you want to go in my project. Okay, start new project. Okay, so you want to give the name. For example, I'm giving name as something VNN. Okay, I'm giving okay. Okay, so this is the new project. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so in this okay, you can see the options. Okay, that is Platy. Okay, palette option. Okay, okay, here you can design the for designing we will use user interface option. Okay, and also layout, media, drawing, animation, maps, sensors, storage, etc. Okay, similarly, okay, so there is screen 1. This is screen 1. Okay, see here. Okay, so with the help of this IDE only we will create the app, mobile app. Okay, so this is the IDE.